In the eastern part of Mexico, there is a dense forest where for miles you can see nothing but trees, trees stretching endlessly in every direction. Deep inside this forest, there is a place where a narrow trail passes between rocks and descends deep into the earth. A team of archaeologists decided to enter this cave-like tunnel. They believed that something abnormal existed inside it. Entering the cave without professional equipment was extremely dangerous because the passage was narrow, unstable, and surrounded by complete darkness. After several hours of exhausting effort, the archaeologists managed to reach a depth of 230 feet at the bottom of the cave. At first, they found nothing unusual, but suddenly, they discovered a hidden chamber. Its entrance was sealed with a large stone. Now, a serious question emerged. Who built a secret chamber 230 feet underground inside a cave located in a deserted forest? And when and why was it sealed? This vast forest in eastern Mexico covers an area of nearly 3 million square kilometers. Hidden beneath a sea of leaves and branches are the secrets of the lost world of the Maya civilization. In the past, this entire forest region was part of the Maya world, where they built countless cities. The people of this civilization were considered highly skilled. Like the ancient Egyptians, they constructed pyramids and large cities. They were also experts in agriculture, pottery, hieroglyphic writing, calendar systems, mathematics, architecture, and art. According to experts, the ancient Maya built around 60 major cities in this region, each containing magnificent palaces, pyramids, and temples. Every city had its own king, whom the Maya believed to be divine. Even today, some structures from these cities remain intact and have become popular tourist attractions. But deep inside this forest, where there is no proper road network, many cities, structures, and secrets of the ancient Maya civilization remain hidden. Some are buried beneath layers of soil. Others are concealed by dense vegetation. Using modern technology, these hidden Maya cities are now being rediscovered. Experts are able to identify ancient settlements hidden beneath the forest canopy using LiDAR technology. LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging. In this technology, millions of laser pulses are fired from an aircraft toward the ground. Most of these pulses hit the tree canopy, but some pass through gaps in the leaves and strike the ground below. These pulses are then reflected back to sensors on the aircraft. By processing this data, a precise map of the ground surface is created. This process is similar to how X-rays create images of the bones inside the human body. So far, more than 4,500 Maya ruins have been discovered, but experts believe the Maya built far more structures than this. The real mystery is not how many structures the Maya built. The real mystery is, where did the Maya go after abandoning so many populated cities? Did they vanish into thin air? Despite being so advanced, what weakness forced them to leave this land forever? With the help of LiDAR technology, experts can locate Maya ruins hidden within the forest. Once identified, these locations are excavated. In the Yucatan region near the Gulf of Mexico, archaeologists discovered the remains of a small Maya village. The village was named Kiwik. Here, a local king had constructed a pyramid nearly 30 feet tall using around 20,000 stone blocks, approximately 1,200 years ago. Typically, the Maya buried their kings inside royal chambers within pyramids. Because of this, archaeologists decided to dig a vertical shaft from the top of the pyramid to its base to search for a royal burial chamber. After excavating to a depth of 21 feet, they uncovered a stone that was completely flat on one side. This stone was different from the others. The Maya did not use stones of this shape for general pyramid construction. Instead, this type of stone was used to support the roof of a chamber. This indicated that a tomb had likely been constructed inside the pyramid. Further excavation revealed what the archaeologists were hoping to find. At the base of the pyramid, they discovered the foundation of a room and a small staircase. Although no valuable artifacts were found, they did uncover a broken fragment of a clay vessel. This small pottery fragment raised serious questions. Radiocarbon dating revealed that the pottery was created around 500 AD, approximately 1500 years ago. But here was the problem. The pyramid itself was built around 1200 AD. That meant the pottery fragment was 300 years older than the pyramid. According to archaeologists, this should have been impossible. To understand why, they examined the historical timeline of the region. Historical records show that this part of the Yucatan belonged to the northern Maya region. But around 500 AD, the Maya had not yet arrived in this area. This raised a major question. If the Maya did not build this chamber, then who did? To find answers, archaeologists surveyed the surrounding forest. About 15 kilometers from the pyramid, they discovered a narrow trail between rocks leading to a cave. The entrance was extremely narrow and dangerous to access. Professional climbing equipment was required, and 2 to 3 cave experts were sent inside. After hours of effort, the team reached the bottom of the cave 230 feet below the surface. There, they discovered a passage leading to another hidden chamber. Its entrance was sealed with stone. When the chamber was opened, what they found exceeded all expectations. Inside the chamber, they discovered dozens of used fire torches from ancient times. They also found large quantities of broken pottery fragments. These fragments matched the pottery found inside the pyramid. It appeared that this chamber had once served as a ritual site where people deliberately broke pots as part of religious practices. When archaeologists attempted to reassemble the pottery, they noticed something strange. Even after joining all the fragments, each vessel was missing one piece. No one initially understood this mystery. Experts believe that worshippers intentionally took one piece of each broken pot with them. The pottery fragment found inside the pyramid had likely been carried from this cave. This proved that before the arrival of the Maya, the people living in Kiwik performed religious rituals inside this cave. Their way of life and beliefs were strikingly similar to the Maya. Exploring deeper into the cave, archaeologists discovered another hidden chamber. The walls of this chamber were covered with extraordinary paintings. At the deepest point of the cave, they found a 3-dimensional carving of a jaguar. Another painting showed a jaguar hunting a deer. Even experts familiar with Maya cave art had never seen anything like this before. Detailed analysis revealed that these paintings dated back to around 100 BC, more than 2,100 years ago. This meant the paintings were created 800 years before the Maya migrated northward. With this evidence, one fact became clear. A civilization existed in this region long before the Maya arrived from the south. Its culture and lifestyle were closely related to that of the Maya. Because of this, experts refer to them as the early or pre-classic Maya. What ultimately happened to the Maya civilization that built thousands of structures and then abandoned them all? Even today, this question remains unanswered.